Fish. Yan, fish on. Another fish of the day. Good morning everyone. So we're going to the Big Wave Beach in Hong Kong. So we're using minibus to go there. So we just arrived in Big Wave. We need to walk. So while walking, I saw our fellow kababayan enjoying their holiday there. You can buy also stops around here before going to the beach for your swimming and for your children also. You can buy in here. They have also a store here. You can buy drinks, food, water before go to the beach. We're already here at the beach area, so a lot of people already here because of the holiday. Yan, we caught a fish here. I'm so happy to catch some fish around here. Pangalan ng isda na to. Sarap siguro to na isda. Fish. Yan, fish on. Another fish of the day. Same lang kanina. Dalawa na nang huli natin, oh. Paano ba i-size to? Oh, mahigit na isang dangkal. Saan yung lagay natin sa lagayan natin? Fresh na fresh yung isda, oh. Fresh na fresh. Ay. Fish for today. Saan yung lagayan natin? After a few hours of fishing, so we need to go to swimming. Yeah, so it's been a long time I don't go to beach for swimming, but now we are here, so we have the opportunity to swim and play with the ocean and in the wave in here in Big Wave Beach. So let's go swimming. Yan, pauwi na tayo dito tayo ngayon sa may Big Wave. Tapos natin nag-swimming, katapos natin mag-fishing. So marami pa rin na naliligo dito. Yan, nag-surfing yung mga bata. So marami din magkakamping dyan kasi may nakatayo na tent kanina, saka nag-barbecue sila. So ito yung view dito. Tayo. Fishing natin, pang fishing. Okay na yung weather ngayon. Hindi na mainit. Time check. Ano na ba? 5:30, 5:40. Mag-6 o'clock na pala. Marami pa rin tao dito. Mas maganda na dito tumambay kasi wala ng araw. Ayan. Punta tayo dito sa may gitna. Punta tayo dito sa may gitna. Marami din tayong mga kababayan din dito. Ayan. Hindi na kailangan maglagay ng tent dito. Naglalaro ng baraha doon. Yan, mga Pilipina yan dyan. Fish. Sabawin na natin. Ito na yung huli natin. Gawin na natin. Sabaw. Sarap ito kasi fresh na fresh yung isda. Tuna. Sinabaw natin na isda. Fresh. Kaya na, luto na. Nanihintay ko na lang yung kanin. So tayo lang mag-isa kakain ito ngayon. Tayo nakahuli. So hindi pa luto yung kanin natin. Marami yung kain natin.